G'day everyone, welcome to the ECM Market Report for today, the 28th of April, last sale for the month. And did everyone enjoy the April moon, John Dent last night? Anyway, about 977 cattle yard here in total, including 80 cows. The market was probably firm on the heavier cattle, a little bit softer in place on those younger cattle. Anyway, here are the lead of the cows here, they topped out at 306. But most of the sort of working cows, they were making sort of that $2.45, top of $2.78.
Yeah, trade cattle here today were a little bit easier on last week. These good cattle here made from $4.80 up to $5.30.
Third steers here today, fair bit firm on last week. Your heavier ones making $4.40 to $4.62, and your lighter Angus ones making up to $4.80.
What were your colour steers, Jacko?
$4.40 to $4.70.
Yeah, with a good run of restocking cattle here today. These 300 kilo Angus steer calves made from $5.20 to a top of about $5.30. The lighter weight restocking cattle here were a fair bit softer, okay? Those calves that were making sort of $6.80 to $7, today $5.80 to $6.20.
With the yarding of 12 bulls here today, bulls topped at $3 with a number of buyers operating.